Is it possible to make reels and shorts even without shooting using only long videos? Well, friends, today I want to share with you my system for automating my processes with the YouTube. It was rather large and rather big review for my make templates. I mean, make Integromat service such as N8N and other solutions. And nowadays I'm just making videos by horizontal format. I use AI for post-production. I use AI for editing, for building thumbnails. And I spent only 1 hour for shooting for post-production one horizontal video, and in pressing only a few buttons, I can get more than 30 and 40 different shorts and reels, and whole traffic from with shorts and reels are moving to my long videos. And it is my system for scaling my long videos, but you can use it not only for that task. You can put traffic everywhere you want. For example, I'm also use this reels in Instagram to get traffic into my funnel in the direct message. So if you want to know how to make 40 or 50 or even more shorts just pressing buttons, I recommend you to watch this video until the end, because I will show you my processes in the Make Integromat, and I will share it absolutely for free, and you can check it and you can repeat it if you want. So
more inside the Make Integromat. Make Integromat is a solution for automating processes, for creating the connection between different AIs, different services. And here you can mix different tools into one script, and there's a low-code solution. I mean that you don't need to know how to. You do not need to become a programmer, but you need to have some required skills to do different tasks. For example, let's begin with the whole strategy for my channel. I have said everything at the beginning of the video. So, what's happening? I have an admin panel. It is a Google Sheets. Here I have different prompts. I have different categories. I have different tasks. And the first point, it is a function of auto posting. For example, I have one template for posting the videos with the sound. If I have done video with the sound, it can be talking head or digital avatar by Hagen, or it can be storytelling. It's not dependent. I put my video inside the Dropbox folder, and after that I transfer this video to MP3 format, send this request to Whisper. Whisper give me the information in the text format. I put it inside my data here. It is auto script writer. Also, I'm checking the prompt from my Google Sheets, make a naming for this video, make a description, and later it will post to YouTube and to Instagram directly. Here are some problems with posting to Instagram, because I need to use different file hostings for publishing, but anyway, it is very nice way to publish such videos, because I do not want to write down every name, every title, every description for videos. It is more simpler to do it by this task. So here I just can put the file inside my Dropbox and get ready-made video on the whole platforms. But anyway, when I have published new video, what I'm doing? Firstly, I have an admin panel, and I have a system launch category. I have different points. Firstly, I have a cell with subtitles from my video. For example, I have posted a new video to YouTube. After that, I have collected the subtitles. It is my words, it is my phrases in the video. I have a video URL. And I have different checklists. For example, when I'm uploading new video, I need to publish it. I need to put inside information inside that cell. I need to create a file on Dropbox for building one-frame shorts. You can check my other videos about that. And I need to have enough money on different services for creating different tasks. So after that step, I have one template. It is a template for launching the system. It is rather simple. I have just one button and 2 webhooks. How it works? When I want to launch free scenery or more than free scenery per one click, I can just make a request to my webhooks. For example, here I'm sending a request to my webhook, and after I have done this task, I put the information inside the Google cell that process have started. I'm now working for that script to make it more interesting, make it more global, but anyway, I will show to you how it works. After I have done these tasks, I have 2 requests to different 2 webhooks. For example, I have a request for auto-cutting. If I want to get the fragments of my video or the parts of my video in the vertical format, it happens automatically. Here I have a webhook in the beginning of that template. It accepts data from my launching pad, and after that it goes to the Google Sheets, collect the URL, send this URL to the service for auto-cutting. It is spikes. After that, I'm waiting for a long time, because it takes time, the process of auto-cutting. And after everything have done, I'm sending the necessary links to my Google Sheets. and send a request to another webhook. Why I'm doing this one? Because it is impossible to do everything in one script, because you need to wait for a long time. You need to wait more than 40 minutes, and you need to make 2 scenarios for that task. And after that, I have another point. It is a point for publishing the cutted videos. I mean the fragments of the videos. Here I have a webhook too. Everything is based on webhook. Technology, whole automation is based on webhooks, because here I'm getting the files inside this material, and after that I'm transferring it to the requires format, because there are some problems with codec from my service of AutoCutting, but maybe you will find a solution which is much more better to use. After that, I'm putting this information inside Cloud Convert. That is a service for transferring MP4 files into the MP3, and after that, I'm transcribing this data using the Whisper. I'm checking my cells with prompts for naming, for description, making naming and description by GPT, and publish it directly into YouTube. For example, here I just can put the result of these models. I can put results of models with files, or the description, put inside my call to action, the number of things, and I just need only to press one button in the Launchpad, and everything happens automatically. I mean, I just waiting, and I'm sitting and just waiting while videos will be shown in my YouTube Studio. The next point of automation, it is a AI scriptwriter. I have different formats of shorts, and I have made a lot of video about formats that I'm using in my everyday life. But for example, I have AI scriptwriter. It looks like a connection between a lot of between Sheets and GPT. There are a lot of different rows and cells, but I'll show you what I have. After I have make a launch, the data the request from webhook comes here. I'm go to the sheet where I'm collecting the subtitles from my video, and after that I can just collect the prompts for different other types of videos. For example, I have one frame shorts, I have Hagen avatars, and I have meme generator. I have built a video about that too. And after that, I'm just creating the scripts using the GPT and Google Sheets. So I'm using my video subtitles. I use the data from the video and use necessary prompts. There are a lot of different types of prompts. For example, I have the main prompt for building the shorts at all, and I have special prompts for different methods. For example, there are methods such before, after, or methods like don't do this, or storyline, or no words. So there are a lot of concepts of storytelling, of script writing. So I have collected everything into one place, and here I have such types of automation, and you can repeat it if you want, or do it by yourself. And after that point, we are waiting for 15 minutes, and the scripts will be. The GPT will write scripts here. I mean, here we'll have hooks, call to action, scripts for Hagen avatars, and text for meme generator. And after that step, we are sending new free webhooks to different scripts, which will generate that content. So we already have auto-cutted reels and auto-cutted shorts from one main global video. After that, we will get the scripts for different types of videos, and later we will have free types of content, and everything will post automatically to our social medias. For example, in my case, it is an auto meme generator, it is avatar generator, and one frame generator. If you want to get more information about each scenarios, you can check my other videos. I have told how I have done this task by the details. So the request is going to that template, and everything happens automatically too. It is just I have just added to my first template the webhook in the beginning, so it is better to check my first video about that. And here data goes inside the script, and I have ready-made memes on my social medias. The same thing happening with avatar generator. It is rather short. I do not think that it is necessary to show you, because I have prepared the scripts before in the Google Sheets, and using my Google Sheets I can use the scripts. Here it is They are made by GPT automatically too, and I just put them into the Hagen using my avatar. I make avatar, and after that I'm uploading it to my Dropbox because I want to make post-production, I want to add B-rolls, I want to add elements, and it is necessary for me to make the editing before publishing. So I have decided to download it to my Dropbox. You can check the models and understand how it works. And the same thing happens with the one frame generator, because it is absolutely the same technology. If you want to repeat automation of these processes, here I have Webhook 2, and everything is the same as in the first video. So I can just publish one video to YouTube. For example, it is this video. It was my last video. I just use the link. I'm going to downsub. It is a solution for downloading the subtitles. Here I have got the text file. No, here I have not got. Okay, let's check for another one. And use this information as a data for building my other shorts. But if you want, you can use not only your video subtitles, you can use your posts. Maybe you have a file with an information about your projects and put this information inside the cells. Maybe you will adapt it by yourself. I just want to share my strategy. But anyway, here I can get this information. I can get subtitles. I can copy it and put it in the data cell here, but not here, but in system launch. That's only one thing I need to do. And after that, I need just only to press the button in the launchpad. That's how I'm doing this automatically. And I have 20 shorts for one frame generator. For one frame generator shorts, I have 5 digital avatars. I have 10 strategy for meme generator, and I have 5 or more fragments of cutted fragments of my main video. So I'm just creating one large video for 10 minutes, and I have more than 40 or 30 shorts by that video, and can publish it and move traffic inside my own video. It is important not to publish too much shorts, because recently I have uploaded a lot of shorts and they don't get views. There are no views, I think, because I have made a spam, and YouTube are thinking that I'm creating too much content. So I recommend you to post not more than 20 videos per day. But sometimes it anyway works, but I recommend you not to do so much shorts. I think it is better to use the hand format. If you're lazy, of course, you can use automatic system, but I'm usually check any hook, check any titles, rewrite. Sometimes I can rewrite it and use my usual methods for posting different types of shorts. So I just want to share with solution for automating. I have one admin panel for launching this system, where I can change prompts, where I can check the information, I can check the concepts for storytellings, for different script writing methods, and I think it is very useful and very nice tool.
Well, friends, it was my automating system for my YouTube channel. I'm now developing my own solution for market research in YouTube. It is a service for finding different trending topics in the categories. For example, you are launching a channel or you want to understand your viewer needs, their interests, so you can put the prompt inside the application. Then after that, you will get the information about other offers data. For example, you will make a prompt and the system will collect 40,000 other creators' videos and collect their data, open data, and make a conclusion what are popular in the categories now. So you can use this information and you can understand the viewers' requests, their needs, and use it in the fundament for building your own scripts, for your own methods. And I would be grateful if you will try to do it, and you can get the access in the description. Moreover, I'm now building my closed lab. If you want to repeat my system for Make Integromat, you can do it by your own, or if you want to support me and you can just copy paste my templates, I am uploading it at my closed lab. It costs, it is very cheap. So if you want to support me and if you want to get these materials and just copy paste it, you can do it too by the link in the description. There are a lot of different automating templates, and I will add a lot of new automating templates. And if you want to repeat my system, you can just pay $40 and get these materials for free. There are a lot of different useful templates for automating processes, and I will create a new template. So if you want to support me and if you want to copy paste it. You can pay only $40, and I would be very grateful for your support. And you will get just ready-made templates, and you can write me any questions, and I will share with you information how to adapt it for your needs. You can write me every time. So when I will be online, I will chat with you and make a recommendation to you. And there are a lot of different videos on my channel about automating, about AI, about YouTube building. So if you are interested in these topics, I would be grateful for your attention if you will watch another of my videos. And I hope we will create a community. You will become my subscriber, and later we will create something interesting together. Maybe you have your own templates for Make and Integromat, or you have your own ideas. We can share it with my audience or your audience. So I'm very grateful that you are watching my videos, and I hope to see you soon in the next episodes. So goodbye, guys.